What I have here is 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Look at uh, the front view of this lovely 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Wait, let me show you the engine compartment of this car. This is 3.5 liters engine in a perfectly working condition. This engine is superb. It is, it is very, very durable. You know Benz now. This engine is top notch. So let me show you the interior of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Come from that side and let me show you how clean and extremely neat the interior is. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is super neat. Wow. Several buttons right here. You can, cruise control, do all sorts of things. It is an open roof. Wow. It's an open roof. See how beautiful, clean the interior is. The seat is very, very clean. It's a perforated seat. It has a save here. How do I open it? There's another mini save here where you can, and cup holders. Anyway, there's another save here. Aha! Look at this one. I think this is a cooler or something where you can keep your drinks to chill while you are on a journey. So let me show you the back side of the interior. Here is the back side of the interior with middle divider, with cup holder, 3 headrests. Look at how beautiful and neat the back side of the interior is, and with a large trunk. Come on, let me show you the trunk. Very big trunk where you can keep your stuff. Maybe you go to the market or you go somewhere to get some things. You can easily keep them here. So it has spare tire. All the accessories are there. The jack, wheel spanner, just everything you need is here. This is absolutely amazing. 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE Formatic. This car is going for just 42 million naira, though it is slightly negotiable. I have another one. This is 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This one is 2018, white on cream interior. This is white on black interior. This one is white on cream interior. Let me show you the engine compartment of this. Let me quickly take the key. Go to that other side. The engine is V6 3.5 liters engine, just like the other one. It has a very, very durable engine, and it's working so perfectly. The interior of the car. Let me show you the interior. Look at how beautiful the interior is. This one is panoramic roof. Like, as you can see, all roof is glass. So 2 cup holders here. There's a save here. There's another save here. Beautiful interior. Let me show you the back side of the interior so that I can know exactly what I'm talking about. Beautiful interior. Rear AC vent is coming out from here. It comes with middle divider with cup holders. So let me show you the back. Here is the trunk. Trunk is very big, so it has the tools, jack, wheel spanner, everything, extra tire are all intact. They are all intact. So this is 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This one is a front wheel drive anyway. It's not Formatic, and this car is going for 44 million naira, though it is slightly negotiable. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that whenever I drop any video like this, YouTube is going to notify you. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.